Stop struggling with YouTube TV location errors. Today, I'm showing you the exact 3-step process to fix your playback area and get back to your favorite shows instantly. First, understand the difference. Your home area is where you live, while your playback area is where you are right now. A mismatch between these two is usually what triggers the error. Step 1. You need to trigger a location update directly from your TV or streaming device. Open the YouTube TV app on your TV, navigate to your profile picture in the top right corner, and select Settings. From there, select Area and look for Current Playback Area. If it shows the wrong city or says Unknown, hit Update. Your TV will now ask you to verify your location using your mobile device. This is the crucial handshake step. On your phone, open your browser and head to tv.youtube.com/verify. Make sure you're signed into the same Google account. When prompted, you must select Allow. Without GPS access from your phone, the update will fail. Wait for the Area Updated message to appear. If it's still failing, check your network. First, disable any VPNs or ad blockers on both your phone and router. These mask your true IP. Next, ensure both your phone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network so the service can verify they're in the same household. Double-check your browser permissions in your phone settings. Ensure location access is set to while using the app. If you've permanently moved, you'll need to update your home area instead. Note that you can only do this twice per year. To update your permanent location, go to Profile, then Location, and select Home Area. The system will use your GPS to lock in your new local lineup. Lastly, if the error persists, clear your browser cache for both YouTube and Google. Stored location data can sometimes cause conflicts. To recap, trigger the update on your TV, vouch with your phone's GPS, and keep your VPN off. You should be back to streaming in no time. For more high-value tech tutorials that respect your time, subscribe to Sleek Guides. I'll see you in the next one.